Alright guys, so we got the fridge.
I don't know what your obsession with just walking across the tile. You go there first, you push it.
This now section, this now it. Hey, you pass, no? Yeah, or if I was pulling door. Pull up, this is pull. Ready? Alright, come and try to push. You have to go steer it though,
Yeah.
Finger. Push. Make it touch the back, but not make it touch the front. Push. Boom, buckle, go this fit like a glove. Push. Push it down, bump. Push.
Already?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on it fit. No? That jump?
Yeah.
Push. Push man. Yeah. Push. Angle a bit on it, it wouldn't work. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's take these ovens, the crates off. We got our oven in our double stack oven, our double deck oven. So let's get these ovens uncrated, unboxed. I like how they do them create it, so easy. You just unbolt them, brush them. Right there. Wait, doing it. Alright guys, so we got the oven, the wheels on the oven. we had to go to A City Discount and purchase these wheels right here. Unfortunately, double stack oven don't come with wheels. It come with legs but no wheels. So we're gonna get the other one on top of it. And then they have a double stack kit that puts the chimney, hooks both chimney together. So we Webster send those out, so we're waiting on those to come. But in the meantime, we went to the restaurant store and got the wheels. That way we can stack them. So I'll show you the other one. This is the other one right here. So you see it comes on a pallet in that box. So now we're going to take this one, turn it on the side, take the screws for the wheels off where we put the wheels, and then we're going to stack it on top of this one. So it's like a double stack oven pretty much. That's what it is. So it's two same oven, but they, you know, when it comes to a double stack, they just put one on top of the other. Wheels on the bottom. That. So this is all going so far. We have refrigerator right there, with freezer. This space, according to the plans, we won't put 3 of those there. But you know, we got already money tight, so we just start with 1 refrigerator, 1 freezer for now. I don't think we need more than that. You know, for now. Let's see, we have a warm over here. We got in our 4-burner or grill. We have our warmers over there. Got those in. Over shelf stock containers. So we got our rice cookers over there, warmers, some trays, some food containers right there. So it pretty much going along well. This is the fryer. The plumbers are coming to hook up those gas lines today, so that's why I'm trying to get that together. That way he could hook all lines up for us. Yeah, so that's why I'm in a hurry to get that, because that's the last piece of equipment. So we got those, we got these, the air fryer, all those are gonna be gas hookup. We're gonna hook up on the gas. So he's coming later tonight to hook them up and also hook up outside the meter to this line. So this line goes all the way on the roof and goes outside. He's gonna come and hook that up. So that's why I'm trying to get this. We just got this in today, so perfect timing. He's coming tonight to get that hooked up. So go and stay tuned. I'll get this stacked. Probably do a time lapse on that. So go and stay tuned. We're gonna bring that on around and put it on top. Yeah, no, but that's so good.
Man, drop me another vlog, man. Drop me another vlog.
Yeah, then I want where I push in the fridge.
Man, easy one, easy one. Yeah, drop me another vlog. This is 50 cents on I pull up this.
Yeah.
Listen to it. I'll show you.
Now I wonder if they look at something like the say like a beam here. I wonder if the thing where the plate your bowl can need to go on first.
Oh. Necessary. Issue thing that is not going to go up. I'm going to go on I even fish
That makes the bowl on this, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I see them so with the plate with them bolt on, so now we just have the threads in it, the screw.
Yeah.
So I wonder if, let me look on that picture.
I mean, when the kid come, if anything, we can brush it only if we get it back up.
I look on the picture. No, the instruction they tell you. Hold on.
Yeah, yeah.
The book can tell you.
Oh yeah, make sure when you stack it. And that plate they would have did have a bolt on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so that not work.
Yeah,
Like
that not
bolt
work.
go, yeah. Yeah, see there? Then I put no plate.
Mm-hmm.
Then say if you put on a caster, then you put on the plate there.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
So at least it did up yourself.
Mm-hmm. And
Yeah. You ever drive a piece of people before? I'll carry a drive on the road.
400 pounds.
We drive a car on the side of the road.
Yeah.
You never drive a car on the like so. But then we have come down here so now and tilt it on the board. Push it there. So we get it right and stuff. Or we would have to get the jack and so I mean that's the mood of it without the wheel. Yeah. And that's how we get some man to go help with. We can jack you up and put it on pallet. You can probably bring one pallet come and put it up higher than this.
Yeah.
Push it up on one pallet. Yeah, we can do that. We can get 2 pallet on it. And get it at least this high. Right? Once we get it this high, then it's easier to go. Yeah. And then the pallet won't slide. Alright, we're gonna do it by determination. Just have to just think about it. Our time now. Hey Google! Hey Google! Don't book that Google, you're asleep. Alright guys, see there? This is how you use 2 horsepower.
That is it.
And put up this thing. Real heavy, it's like 1400 pounds. I think this is like 600 and the other one about 600. So both is around 1200 pounds. But this is how you maneuver it and get it up. For all those who want to get this put up and don't have the manpower, 2 people can get it up. What we did was just stack 3 pallets high, slid it from the wheel dolly onto the 3 pallets, and then up onto that. So it wasn't even strenuous. It was just easy slide. We just slide it up. So we ain't lifting it. We just sliding it around. See, that's what it came on. Pallets, wooden crates. They make up. Was packaged real well. So the only thing it didn't come with was the wheels. I had to go buy the wheels. They're sending out the stacking kit. The stacking kit only consists of some extra legs, and it comes with a little chimney for here. This is the vent for the oven. So it comes with a piece that goes over here all the way up to here. So it connects both of them together, and then it'll vent into the hood system. So this is pretty much in. It's pretty much gonna sit where it's at right now. We're just gonna turn it the other way, facing this way. That's the hood right there. That's the front of the hood. So we're just gonna turn it around. But that's where it's going, on this side. Then we're gonna have our 4 burner goes right here beside it. Then our grill. And then our 2 fryers at the end. So we're in good shape. So we're here, we're putting in appliances now, guys. We're getting closer to the end of the journey. Oh, Don't mind me, I got my back brace on because I thought it was going to be heavy. So. But yeah, so stay tuned and watch what I go on before I get it together.